All right, here in number two, we're trying to choose the right transition word. So let's just read the sentence before and the sentence after, and then kind of go from there. So he painted the mural's first two sections, featuring images of a tropical forest and a Maya pyramid, during the day. So again, this is one of those scenarios where you can just kind of remove this stuff between the commas. It doesn't really contribute to the sentence structure. So he painted the mural's first two sections during the day. Also, to avoid scrutiny, Siqueiros painted the final section at night. So again, he painted the first two sections during the day. Final section he painted at night. Our transition word is also. Um, it's not bad, but I feel like it might be a little bit awkward. And I see here that we have however, right? Again, transition word however suggests that whatever you're about to say in some way counters or is in contrast with what was said before. And that's actually what we see here, right? Because one was during the day, the other was at night. So B looks pretty good. Um, although, when you say although, that's, setting up some kind of contradiction, um, contradiction to what was said before, and that's not really the case here. The the fact that the other parts were painted at night doesn't contradict the fact that the first parts were painted during the day. It's just just the two are not mutually exclusive. So although is not appropriate here because it doesn't. There's no direct contradiction. There's just contrast, which is set up by B, however. And lastly, D, moreover, that's sort of like also, saying like in addition, and it's okay, but it doesn't really do much to set up the sentence. It's much better to just say however, so that you know that whatever you're about to say is in some sort of contrast to what was said before. B.